Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to create multiple text directories in a specific directory. So I'm going to create a subroutine called multiple files. And I'm going to start off by creating the directory that I want to save the files to. So that's going to be the path. It's going to be on my desktop, so that's c://users//mark desktop, and a folder I've created is called X on my desktop. Now this is the path to my desktop. It won't be the path to your desktop, so you'll have to find the path to your desktop and create a folder called X on your desktop. Okay, so we're going to start off with for my, I'm going to do scalar I here. That's going to be 1 to 3. So we're going to create 3 files here. You know, you could say 5, 10, 15, 100, 1000 or whatever, but just for this tutorial we're just going to create 3 files. So we're going to specify a file name, so scalar file name is going to be equal to file and then the scalar I here, so it's going to be something like file 12345 .txt, because it's going to be a txt file that I'm going to be creating. Okay, and now I'm going to create the files, so simply open my scalar file, and then this here actually will create the file, and scalar file name, and we do or die, so if there's any errors this will catch it. So couldn't open, just a generic error message like that, couldn't open. Okay, now we're going to print in the file, so print scalar file, and the message inside, so I'm just going to put something like new text here. This is the message that's going to be printed inside this file. Text scalar I. No, I won't do that. I'll just print new text in there and a new line. There we go. Okay, and now we'll close the file after we've worked on it. And now we'll just print a message to the user that created, and then scalar file name. So print out the files that we've created. Okay, all we have to do is call it multiple files, save it and run it. Okay, it says created file 1.txt, file 2, file 3. Let's see if it has. Let's go onto the desktop. There's the X folder, and oh dear, I made a little mistake. I forgot to do something. I forgot to change the directory there, so that's going to be CHDIR, change the directory to the path. that we specified. So okay, take 2. Save that, let's run it. Okay, created the files again. Right, and it's created them in this directory, file 1, file 2, file 3. If you look inside, new text has been printed in there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.